Watch out. Girl. There, what? But yeah, you know, just how I come for a shop.
Long time I don't see you.
See him. Anyways, hi.
What?
Nothing me there. Just I said me there walk come down the road, cause me there come for a shop.
Oh, so you can't come check me again?
Yeah, one day.
Which day?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Something.
Me there.
Alright. You good?
Alright. You alright? You just stand up, so. Oh. So, girl, upon we there not tree see me around here. Upon the beach side, me did it often, but now me come right here, right in there, then you gonna see me.
Okay. No problem.
So, what I'm from the other day, me what me miss?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Okay, so yeah, move, so.
Oh.
You know something I want to tell you?
No, me just feel nice in the morning, so I feel like a rock.
Oh, where I have to? I think you know one thing. So, what going, girl?
Me there.
You good?
Let me know good.
No?
Oh.
One time.
Leave her alone.
Okay. So, girl, me there, go up there, so. You can come over here, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Me check it later.
Alright.
Yeah. See, I'm gonna leave chop. What going, Bob?
I'm good.
No, I'm there.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm no.
So I no change still.
You never have money yet.
No, I never tell
You
you say I
never
no
had
money.
change
Say I
yet.
have no change.
Every time I see you never have change. You want me to find the change, girl? Me money.
No, when you get the change, when I see you the next time, I will surely
Just
give
say
you
you
my
don't
money.
want to give me money and done.
No, I'm going to give her the money, but I don't have the change. You understand? I don't want to give her the money and she go run away with it.
Me a thief. Me a go a shop up there so go change it and carry back the change.
When you go change, I'm soon no. I go no, no forget.
At 2 hours, so give me money where you have. Okay.
It's still big. I still big money. You understand?
So Orlando, what me saying no? What me saying no?
Shop.
Why the fuck say they find with a big man money?
Our friend. Ask him.
Yeah, man. I'm
With a friend, cousin, uncle, father, auntie, no matter. Me send you out somewhere, right?
Yes?
You're not supposed to dare start beg. This when you beg man money, you will get belly.
Me
You
not
hear that?
get none do.
If you turn up on me and put up, shut your back and straighten you. Straighten up.
I'm not going to go down, brother.
Alright,
Reggie,
link me
come on,
later.
come on, come on. This one, let's see me to pick them. You stay far from them.
No, man. I'm going to charge you them, man.
Charge your backside, that one you are 14 and that one you are 16. You hear me I say? You stay far from them. Them not ready yet, them churchy just a grow.
No, something I
They
look
not blossom yet.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm just, who there say we there looking?
Little more.
Where
Check
the
who
bag,
later.
where she turn up your side though?
Beg money.
So what that mean?
And that don't mean say me there look him.
Once you start beg man money, no matter how much time you beg the man money, man stroke that backside and I'm gonna beg you back. You have something to
He
give?
not go, no, I have nothing to offer.
So why you dey beg money?
Because what?
You short of money? Me ever get up for a man and not go no money? Eh? Me ever get up for a man and not get money?
No.
How much meat in the fridge? A lot of meat.
You like cook? No.
Yeah, how much?
16 and me don't like cook.
Yeah, how much?
14.
You expect your own father to get up a morning time, make on the breakfast and carry come in the bed come go no?
Yes. Yeah.
You expect your own father to get up before he go to work, make breakfast go in the bed?
Yes. Yes.
I on the seat?
Yes.
Alright, good. On the seat. Yeah? Oh, I got a wall,
1, 2, 3. Oh God.
Where are you?
Yeah, exercise.
You exercise?
I said we're going to get Papa.
Exercise, right?
Yeah.
You put for me. Right, so?
Me now put for your virgin. You hear me put for me there? You go and exercise on. If exercise come now and me all me look like you.
What you say? Me look fat?
You look weak and lazy. I don't know if you do nothing.
No,
So
me
I'm
alright,
a long time I not see you.
me good man. Money and me come alright, and me pick them alright, then and they too hungry.
Oh,
Yeah,
she
man.
say you buy iPhone sales or iPhone much that. So then camera they big.
So, the iPhone make you start exercise, right, so? How make you exercise, right, so? You don't normally exercise in front of me.
At 2 years sleep, me don't even see you.
How are you beg now, can
Me not beg nothing, me not beg anything. Me ask and say, I work on an
you
iPhone.
not beg nothing today?
What kind of
Congratulations.
iPhone that day?
She's no longer begging this
I
morning.
work on an iPhone that me see 3 big camera and I want 2 camera me have, you know?
Oh, I 13 Pro Max.
Oh,
Yeah.
I can't phone you have any other hand over there, so.
Oh, the Ultra.
So, yeah, see, if I just have them Legos, so suppose somebody take away.
Who can take you?
Me don't know. Suppose me and they do want thief and teasing for you, too, me know you know.
You ever hear about African? If I ever go there so to anybody with tea from me, they might go walk around me and make sure they mention my name so nobody not come back on tea from me again. I'm me tea for iPhone. Pull it up. I'm me tea for iPhone. At someone then walk.
I'm so glad me and thief. So how life and then look at something there.
Well, life good, but me had too bad getting up with them and I don't know if to do them right now. I don't know what to do.
You know, you can hire me like you work, you can hire me at daytime for time with them, you know, I give you a iPad. So I want to 50,000.
50,000 for though.
I get you a pay them?
For 3 months.
No, for the week that.
Yeah, you get it.
You want any bad getting picked me, I feel like me can't take me off of them, until you can blink. So you give me work? Because I need that work.
If me even get out, me not pay a pass when me I get for the week. Me not eat that. The only way me get out, as a matter of fact, right now in sister 16 and the other one are 14. They can't watch them one another.
They can't watch it. They want another 2 underage job.
It don't matter. As long as they don't left the house when they come from school, I don't responsible for that. Me can't hire somebody for maintain. Even you know, me go hire you know, me can't pay 1 week. You go start publishing on TikTok. You go start publishing on Instagram and YouTube.
If you don't pay me 1 week, it's other than 15 more money. Plus the other week, include the
You realize when you say, we government must pay out a week.
But yeah, that time I take me here, they say 16 or 12. Which one?
16,000 a week.
I can't offer 16,000 a
I'm
week.
still end up pay that.
16,000 if you can't pay for the years I'm having right now.
And you have a natural, yeah, pay how much money for put in here?
Yes.
You follow them young girl, yeah?
And there's more the next time you give me a work, I'm not gonna work.
Missing one brown one, you pass me this. I went past me. Pass me this morning, me don't know when gone, or son go over. 2 minutes in my tired self. Eh? Them a young girl, I know they all know I walk around with tight and hypnotize man.
Oh, so I'm not hypnotize you. I tight me have so I'm not hypnotize you.
No, I'm not see you. That's what I want him to learn. Never you focus on woman,
on the man,
son, because you will spend money.
Okay.
Yes.
But anyways, me I beg you some salt.
Huh?
Me I beg you some salt.
Me know, man. Me know. Say something I beg. Me didn't know, you know. Me didn't know. Well, me not know salt and no silk. Me sure know say nothing up there. Because me just a come from here and I'm too bad get pick them just gone up.
Well, me I come over my business then.
Huh?
You know how not to give me.
Huh?
But man, no, you sleep and put on your phone themselves.
No.
People will take them from you.
Me alright, man. Me good, man. Nobody in trouble. They're afraid of African, you know, man.
Okay.
Alright.
Welcome to the time class.
Okay. Where the pan?
Me too foot.
Well, that is good to know. Me there.
Friendly boy, boss ahead. Me not see you back.
Nobody knows boss me head.
Which breeze blow you so?
A rumors that man. Nobody know who can boss my head. That must be crazy.
Oh.
Well, this one I'm a little chill spot them and see me there chill. See how shady there so and so cool and nice and you bring me come and you come and supper. That's so kind of hot but.
Want me bring it to me?
Yeah, mama.
Listen. Buy my juice now. Remember from then tell you promise me want bad juice, but me not a bad juice. More big juice, 2 liter juice.
Back up now. You know if you come quick, where you see you want?
1 2 liter juice. You didn't promise me one juice for school
You
there?
can buy a juice, you can buy a 2 liter juice.
So give me some.
Huh?
Come now, give me juice.
Wait no man.
Oh. Oh.
Oh man.
No. So if I
Yeah.
ever come by, we'll see you again.
Little shop lock if you come buy salt. You see shop lock?
I know one shop round.
I got you.
Where you know she from? Where you know that if you pick me from?
I'm a little friend man and she say in that area we know and nobody we know that area.
Where you know him from? In the area, Mama used to say we live the same place. Oh.
So what you say now? What you have to say?
I come feel like a change when I did ask you for last time.
But nah, no more money cause I tell her so when I get change now and I work here.
That's why I did tell her you should give me the money, make me change it. You take a gishi and me ask. Did you see when you take out money give me?
Alright. She not to get the money.
So who get the money?
Nobody get the money.
So what money do?
What's no man I tell her so I see you. You see me?
Me see you now.
You see me not see you. So
how you talk to me? You can really pick me here, they can
I'm a little charge.
You wanna do
You
it
go
here?
now.
Yes. Where you come by? Salt. So buy the salt.
Go buy it.
And be on your way.
We talk man, no yourself.
I see you.
We talk.
Yeah.
Alright, what go there?
Next time I'm going to go. Where money? Where money?
Go on, I'm not giving no money. Go on here. Go on.
Watch out, Daddy.
Where you come from?
Me go shop, go buy salt, but shop lock.
Where is your cigar shop, boy?
Salt, no in the house.
You check on my bed?
Watch out. You
In
start
the
put
box?
food under the bed.
I have
A
to...
chimney.
What me buy for Chimmy?
A chimney alone go under bed.
Listen me. When I eat the salt them like a sugar. And I eat a feather up too quick. So I have to hide the one little pack of fat salt I left in the house. And I need the bed in the
Look
box.
for me good. Me look like fall. Me have feather on me.
No, Mama, you're worse than a
Okay.
feather. You're worse than a feather. You're not a feather, it's a flea.
Feather on dog.
Yes, you come like a flea and ticks. Everywhere you want it. Everywhere you want it. You find excuse. Why you want to bring your sister along with you?
No. Me don't want to tail and me want to come out.
When you come from the same mother. The same mother. We could have abandoned her. I could have run and left you. I could have run and left your mother the moment your other sister born.
We see it as she run if I know me, because me done born already.
Me I would have run and left it to her and I could suffer. Because you know the maga me take on from the mother. You know the maga like a pole tick. Eh? Your foot was the size of my hand. Yes sir.
But you're going like you're fat. You're not fat.
I just said this man.
No, I true. You're not fat. I talk about be maga.
I this you did this me.
No.
I for me work so hard to make sure you're comfortable up there.
So?
Buy all food, buy 2 fan go no.
Me not comfortable enough because no salt not the there. And you take it dash in your bed like a chimney. Who want
Me
that?
have to hide the salt we left. We couldn't never me couldn't done it. So when you go up, make sure you look for something for your sister eat.
So why you don't have hand?
You hear me say?
You don't talk.
Me don't want thing like this cook and I'm going to play.
But you have hand and you can't cook.
I
So me
don't give a
cook
damn. I don't give a damn. Try and make sure me come up there with the 2 francs, 2 egg, 4 bologna, and 5 sauce.
Well, if you want to see them, you come up there and cook it yourself because she not enough. Yeah.
What do you say? You know what I'm saying? Let me shut you one more.
Hello.
No ram put me, yeah? Right.
In a little cleanable, you know, you're not. You know, yeah.
You don't feel like say you feel clean up the place.
No, it's me not clean it, you feel clean it, and me decide say you are clean it too,
Oh.
so you feel clean it.
Okay. So which one are we a bigger one? Not because me a bigger one in the field, so if you fling the one
If me
for
sleep in
me.
the yard, you're supposed to clean the house.
Oh, wow, are you? What are we sleeping at? So me not clean, you fi clean it too.
Okay.
Oi,
Me, I go sleep
oi,
2 hours.
oi, what's going
And what
on?
happened to you? Make you come run and come, oi. Tell your dad that to clean up in here.
And me alone and that a whole bigger one.
Oi, you know who you talk to?
Yes, my father. Tell your daughter say where you never want. So clean up in here.
You know who you talk to?
You want to repeat it?
Me you go to school?
I don't care. And no. But me not clean in here today every day. I don't want me get up and clean in here.
I'm not Jordan, yeah? Yes. No, yeah, party.
Yeah. If you
I
like
know
to
who you talk to.
Wait, I know you me dey talk to. And she.
I know me, you know, but I want to talk to me again.
No.
Me on the side again.
No.
Oh, we think me on the side because that they don't get it.
But
What are
anyway,
you complaining about?
the room.
She has a me to clean up the room. And she has the one. If me dey sweep here, she not to clean up in her room.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, look like this week.
I don't go there.
Why not?
I'm here telling you this. You see, remember, you know, I mean one, right? No father no do this. What me I do, you know? When the mama run off left, you know, I could have gone up to the government, right? I'm decide to keep on the yeah.
And you got some room.
I decide to keep on the yeah. I could have turned my back on it too. Me wrong or me right?
You're right.
Right, you could have keep my money in my pocket. That me I stress out myself now. We get a big old higher.
Well, she a get big. She's so gone.
Well, if you think about the education, eh?
Oh, anyways, let me go. Let me clean up in here. Cause, you know what? I think Papa that clean up in here.
Oh, yeah, talk to you. If you move again, if you move again, I can clap you.
Sir, listen to me.
Come say one more time. You think I teach you this? You smell the shit. Eh? You have some jars thrown down in the bathroom.
Amen.
You see, I'm tell you
What
what.
kind of jars that you know where you
You
jars?
see what I'm going to leave me right now? The matter in the Felix week.
I'm here with you.
If you got to know you're weird, then.
I mean, she wash them.
Oh.
Which one is she?
Which one are we at talk? Where she there?
We don't talk.
Where she there?
Zoe,
Where she there?
you see the jars that went in the bag in there? Don't touch them.
I
They
can't know
are
you're weird.
very stink.
I need to go wash them, mommy. Don't talk.
I want to see you hold me hand them and make me wash
If you
them.
lick them, when you just give me, I go and give her back when I go through that door. So look how she complain, come complain to yourself, lick her.
God,
Every lick we are fling palm, just how I go me there, fling it back palm
God.
left.
we feel like when the mama run off, she left
You should
some
have
of the
carried your
madness.
wedding.
She left some of the madness, Father God.
Hey, she didn't want to, should have
Why
carried.
me, Father God? Why me? Yes or no? With half a picnic and a jackass. Why?
I had the donkey. That's how I look so. Ask yourself. A woman that was the hypocrite. Like you. Come! You have no more to say to me, I forgot on the road.
One.
Excuse
What?
me.
I don't know. Where want them? Left yard?
No,
Left
like
yard,
that.
man. Pull the door. Pull the door. I am my father. Pull the door, man.
Me, you call my mama, make she come there for address you, call you
Pull
bride.
the door. Pull the door. No? Come out here. Come out here. Come out here with what happened. And you know. Yes, you know. If you ever think you're bad, go back on the road for the rest of the day. Yeah, so we make sure we buy what? I know. You see, no father never do this. Me should have get father of the year. Me spend my last money pound. Well, me should have spent it for myself. Me not have a good shoes. Me not have a good go-out clothes, right? Me can't go a barber go trim. You set your head like when time buy a rev. What kind of hairstyle that?
In name Cohan.
Yeah, wow.
So when they sleep on the road, they can't trouble because they know some man.
Moo! Yeah, man, I must call me get cow, huh? Cold hand, really? Cold hand? Go on, go bed. Go on. Go on, we don't have you, man. Go on, go on, go on. Cause if you couldn't get in here. Yes, God. Thank you for another day in the... Let's get up in the afternoon. You know, let me just asleep in there. Hello. How are you do? Taka taka? A taka taka that? Huh? What me tell her this morning to do?
You go bed.
And the little time me just asleep. You find time a taka taka?
Me never feel like I'm ready for this.
A taka taka in the pan?
Me did hot and me can't go bed, so.
You did hot. And can't go bed. Me don't think how when people hot them bed.
No. Me did want cool off liquor.
You did want cool off.
Yes.
You didn't get nothing to cool off? You didn't get no lick to cool off?
No.
Where the mongrel?
I didn't come out here and see her. So she got on the road.
Oh, so you never come out here come see her, but you know that she gone from the road.
Yeah. Then if you in a house and you know out the door, we starting there on the road.
You know what me I say? I'll be back.
Yes.
Make sure you put on the piece for the fire.
So how you figure the belt?
Don't worry about that. Make sure say you put on the piece for the fire.
Alright.
And you must cook before me reach back here. I'm going to show you my best too. You wait, me soon come back.
Make sure you use it good too, you know.
I soon come back.
Alright.
Hello.
Wow.
Me there. You know somebody me have something to tell
No,
about.
guys, son, can you make me call a bonnet as much as I
Yeah, go on like you have color. Me not have none either.
Yeah,
You know somebody
where's
have
that
something to tell
going?
about. That's why you me see you with the clear. You know, I tell you something like you, but I feel like you go the day. I feel like something that go on between me. Me never tell you. But you know, like if it there with ten,
Oh,
me like you free when me not up here. So when me see you, me hungry. Like no.
so what you think, Mufa? You think that's supermarket?
Yeah. Hell yes, me hungry. Nah, not for me.
You can follow me, go up on me and I can give you some peanut butter and some bread. And
No,
some
that's
bread.
too light.
Me can fry flour then and give you some peanut butter.
That
Nothing
look
wrong.
better.
With little juice.
You say? Yeah, that better. What kind of juice, bro? Orange juice?
No, go on. Come
Come
on.
on. Come on!
Oi! 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 Don't think say,
God,
me name did
no.
have to find you. What me want about me people?
Sure, listen, she said she had 18, right?
Right?
So you can't come
Hey,
between
may I make
me
that
and you.
something now?
Still say she
Okay.
what?
She said she had 18.
Yeah, how much?
May I 16 years old?
Sorry. I just, you see? You see me I try to show you?
You need
Yeah,
to
look
stop
man
me.
and man and
Listen
turn
to
up to you.
me. You need to stop company record search me last.
Look girl. All when you reach government law, anything will happen to you, me never go and jump
So
on.
why you left the next one unprotected down there? You know what she do?
Me left him to cook the peas. So
You
when me
know
go to
make
my
a
sister,
peas in down there they cook. You come call look
so
for
where you
it.
want?
Dirty holes.
So where you want to tell
Me
me?
last.
Where you want to tell me? My pitney, your sister down there.
You're a pretty princess down there. Chance if she in the yard right now.
She
You
can't
see how
come
you
out.
lick me this morning?
So what happened?
And you come like you want to come lick me with this and this here.
So what you want to tell me? Say, me can't lick you again. And that's what I try to say.
And that me say.
And I'm install your mama and me can get you.
So?
And what you try to tell me? Say, me can't lick you.
You can't lick me.
Who get you? Who get you? Hmm? You wait till I come. You think me done yet? I'm going to show you who birth who.
Hello, I'm seeing you make you run. One madman up the road. See me and him. Man, they want. And tap me.
How does a family like me know you from somewhere?
You know me?
Eh,
Come here.
me feel like me know your father. Who you run from?
Oh, I know that. Come on.
Oh, come on.
That's wait, to
Are you
hold up.
running?
Eh?
Are you running?
Me a time for run me live on taxa. And my yard that has to come back in.
I choose to tell me
They
say
look
one
with
madman
y'all up.
a run her done.
Madman?
Eh.
Wait till I go down and show him madman.
So you're a madman?
I'm going to show him 10 floor.
Say that.
Yes, bad like a yards. Man, me go catch him with. Eh? Man, me go catch him with. They look at y'all just have cause more problem for problem. If you can't belly for me. Eh? Me can't hardly find food to feed the two
So
of
what are
them.
you going to do with this here?
I beat him out of it.
Oh.
You can't have a child and spare the rod. You have to use it up.
You didn't know how to raise a girl picking it. I'm telling you, if you hire me, you can't do the job.
Hire you for.
Take care of them.
For come yam down my house.
Me not name no house
And
because me
then
not chichi.
sell her out to man.
Me not sell her out to man.
Me no want what happened to Maisie Pitney happen to my Pitney, you know.
If you got me to your picnic, you not hire me, you can't take care of her. You see, if me did in a yard now, she would out here that take man.
Oh, so you
You
know.
not do your job good. Probably you not feed her, you not clothe her, or me no know where you do something wrong.
When I'm done, later come on me have my machine on my fridge. Stack! Stack and pile!
So where she out her yard?
Chicken, shrimp, prawns.
The only
Me not
time,
see what me not have in my
the
fridge.
only time young girl look man is when they want money. You not give her the money so she go look it.
Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! And after I go.
How you go?
Only when they see young girl, I run upon them back a man, is when they head too light and them full, and they no money. Shut your mouth. Back in the days when me know him mama, me never use money get him mama. I love get him mama, but him mama find man with money now.
Oh,
And nowadays change them.
so you tell me say you pick me an idiot.
Party
fool,
idiot,
huh?
a clown. Clown, because you see some man, a young girl, when you take up man, and the parents still have to buy soap,
Who you talk to?
to washing
Who you
the
talk?
jars and beard.
Who you talk?
Oh no, young girl,
Oh
that's what you do.
no, talk about you letter, don't talk about me.
When the parents go to money if you go to school, when you
never
take
go
it
to
and look for man, right?
We never go look for no man.
And not get no subject. You know, we affect.
I feel like
We
you
the
come and talk
parents.
my business. I feel like you come and talk my business. I'm busy come and talk.
Me not business for your business. Me just a talk what me know. We the parents are feel it.
What you feel?
The
When your daughter go do things, you feel it?
We feel it. Because when you come back, daddy, you know nothing can eat. Daddy,
It's too stingy for you, man. I that with you now. Beg you $100.
so you approve of young girls to go take man
Yes.
and come in.
Right.
And parents have to
Right.
still find folk in them for like them catches.
Right. Yes.
Are we telling them to go take man?
No. Man was meant to take. That's why God put him on earth.
Let me tell you this. If you feel only young girl, only if you go back to school.
No.
They feel like the government to change the law and make every people left school when they were 22. Yes! Me feel like say when time high school days start, only if you go to high school when you are 15. Primary school if you done at 15, I'm not going to high school at 15 and come out, spend 7 years in a high school and come out when you're 22 and then when you go to college, you know, when you left college when you're 26, that's how on the way fully equipped.
I realize you're talking to talk to me about oh I know about stupidness. You just have to she other ears. Please go run down your daughter before she take man down the road.
If you don't breathe the 4 time, you don't know where some breathe. Yo, wait.
So oh yeah, island, I want.
Oh, I told me to pay my partner.
Your partner?
Yeah,
How long
partner.
you get answer?
Yes, the partner people them me don't like pay my partner and then me can't get anything.
Well, me
So
not
pay
pay
my
me.
partner.
So me time to me just like off of him before I pay him until I next day me turn on here 2 days time.
So
So
that's
are you me did a contract, you know?
we have to come check me for you know if me up on my yard.
That is the thing. Check. You hear the
Oh,
word?
you
Check.
realize you see me the pan with a high
Me
pan
see you
people.
now.
Okay.
So what going?
Me there man. You're the pan, good?
Mm-hmm.
That is
So
good
give me
to
your
know.
money now like your partner sitting there say I don't care.
If me a hide from them, me have money to give you.
Me tell you, so me see you.
The money left up for yard when me go
So
back
come
up.
on we go for.
Come on.
So everything alright?
Them on everything good.
So me just, I didn't want to go real class. Yeah, I got to cut my radar.
Sis, how about that?
I just have a body for me.
Oh, she speak. Oh my God, she speak.
Sis, watch out now. Look for me good. Look for me good now.
What
You
me
really
phone
feel
for?
like say, I gotta take up somebody like her.
What me
Me and I
phone
not
for?
really there. We just start talk. And she say she have money.
Oh,
Yeah,
them a
she
girl
have
have money.
She have money. What
Them
you
a
think, man?
girl what the whole lane rev out.
So how you think me there do man
Money?
for? Where you think me sip
You
out
bought all
money?
the money there where you give me the give you back. What you say now?
I'm on time. Me know you know. Me know about you. Me
So
hear
tell me
about you.
where you hear
Me
about
hear
me?
say Paul, Jerry, Harry, everybody me hear say rev out you underneath. When I tell me you see all a brush, you the blush off a vibes card. I don't even have vibes card to see
You
under there.
miss out Uncle Sam.
So you really think you like the lane?
Bitch, you must know me. You must know me. You try to control
Watch
it.
out now, watch out now, watch out now.
Control it, you know.
Oh, this a
None of
crib.
that.
Oh, this
Watch
a
out now,
big
watch
back
out now,
girl.
sis. Watch out now, sis.
This a big back girl. I want a man I go under. This a big back girl where they don't blow job in a man front seat and a rubber. And them a girl kiss up.
You
Mommy,
go
I kiss.
thinking
And them
that
a girl talk to.
mind your man in the line. Cause bitch, you
Baby
know
love me. Baby love.
I am a sister-in-law, so you can't expect better.
Listen to me. I don't got a man. So you don't got no man for me to take.
This you go.
This is
What
what?
name? What?
Herpes,
Watch out
y'all.
now, watch out now, watch out now, watch out
My
now.
way, y'all saying no.
You
Talk
must
to you.
feel this dirty girl. John Crow, remember you making faces so you talk up in her face too much. Nothing let you.
Remember say you make him broke, you know. Remember
Hello.
say you make him broke. Hey, no. Talk to your
Actually,
girl.
I get no
Talk to your girl.
Watch out now.
I want she want your face, sister.
Me don't want
No,
this.
me.
Come here, do
Hello,
with this.
hello.
Oh, so she a call this
Sis,
time.
stop it nice. My sister this, me not look on her. She handicap no, but
And the
watch out now,
girl
sis.
is a
Sis,
real
What handicap?
bitch.
watch out now. You're not gonna style my sister like that. Watch out now.
So when she a style me,
We just hug up
I am her friend.
and reunite. Come here now, come here now. Hello,
What
hello.
problem?
Watch
You
out now,
want to
just
for me?
relax and relax.
Oh, you want to for me?
I just accompany her for.
No, look at me, you know. And one thing, you know, I do not know how to trace.
Watch out now, come
Let me
up in
find a
here.
big switch.
Find
Let
the
me
switch.
find something big.
Yeah, go find the switch.
You know, sister, idiot, and she
Eh?
put on your son.
The girl knows that me can't trace and I forgot for something hectic here. Oh, you can't do that, girl, if it's true. Me hear say one bag of man a fuck her. Me hear say she come off to fuck off every man. Me hear some things about her.
I got doctor. Go check up.
Yeah, you think that probably have AIDS.
Hmm?
I just gonna. Oi! What they are do?
You know, see.
You put on your peas, but I say
No,
put on why? But
Don't
the time
feel
say never did do it, you know.
Oh,
You even look like a beard from morning.
you be at for morning?
Yes, pick up on the road.
Oh,
Pick up on my business and your father come walk me down. Like me laugh.
You should give so more lick on the road. That's
Who tell say she, you know, like me? I mean, no one come back and give me
then
some
that
more
is
lick.
great.
He might go like
So
lick
go on in
and
there, go
change
wait upon
me.
him. If you want to take off lick off of you look about the peas.
Who you talking? Mama, and you want to get lit?
them.
I don't mean tell the cookie. Me just come in.
You know,
And
see
me
that-
they go be and go back on the road before he reach here.
So when
I be do come back and see me, then I go on a long talking with him. So you better not him say me the
you know,
back
for a long
road.
talking, because as him come a lick, peel it.
You better tell her say me I come, me are there. I tell him say. Wait, so when he come out, if he not see me, tell him say me can't.
Then
Cause he
you
can't do nothing.
use up so if he come and not see you.
Where you go?
feel like
I
you
get
get more lick.
you're not gonna know me gone.
Oh, okay. Heard you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If I mean like you, me go put her in the piece. Cause when he come in, I take no lick for
What makes
you.
you not go and go do it?
Why go do it and me you want to do it? Me look like
You see if I did me like you and me know say me I go get lick. Me I go in there so
Listen to me.
put her in the piece, we take off lick off of me.
Me is not on a maid. Me never come here for work.
Oh. Me and a maid neither.
Me I go be my maid cause oh that's how I wake up. Oh that's how I look decent. And the bathroom be clean.
Look for
You
the
clean
place.
your room from morning? From me left out of the house, you clean your room from morning?
You dig it up and do nothing this morning?
Me don't need to do nothing. And me have you. What me have you for?
You're funny.
What me have it for?
You're funny.
If I me like you, me get up and go in there so. You still don't want to phone.
Alright, that's what you're calling me.
Right, no problem. Me gone in left you lucky. Every time I tell you
Mama,
when me say when you come
go
here, no.
cool and feel it them way you go
Which
get.
lick? He lick me to them, I put it on back for him, me turn big man now.
Wow.
Daddy surely will hear that when he come.
Afternoon, Daddy.
Afternoon. You still out there? I do.
Watch you up on my phone.
The TV not big enough. Huh?
Me don't feel like I watch on TV. Why would I want to watch TV when me have phone?
Okay, so your phone better than the TV.
Yes.
That's your trying to say. What the other one?
She
You come
gone
back.
in. She says she's big woman, and if you lick her, she'll lick you back.
Share what?
Big woman now.
Come here.
Yeah.
You reach.
Come here. Wait till your sister say.
Your ears. No boy. You're a big woman no put on the peas and she expects me to come here to put it on and she no be it from morning. And I me you come out.
So Daddy, after I should be at for morning.
You not put on the peas?
No. Me never know where peas are. Because remember place stuck up in her.
Hello. She said when me come here to make it no look worse from my side, me if you put on the peas because me know me I get lick.
So you didn't know did you put on it?
And I me tell me put it on. Me not know how the work.
You never know if you do it.
Me never know where peas there.
Your hairstyle match your face, yeah? Your hairstyle match your face. It's not only a cow hand you put in. It match your face is a cow hand. Because me want to know if you big enough, 14-year-old, don't know to cook a piece beside you when you're 20. Man, I go take you for know me.
Alright, deal with she now. Because she says she a big woman and if you lick her, she'll lick your back.
Listen to me.
Big woman, what?
Mm-hmm.
What
Well,
you tell your sister say? What you tell your sister say, Yawa? What you tell your sister say, Yawa? Huh? Come here, sir.
Listen to me.
Come here, sir. Come
so
here,
you
sir.
want to react to catch me too when you're swinging?
Come here, sir.
Wait.
Turn up on the
Wait
block.
now.
Yeah, more when you talk
Listen
to
to me.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Mind me put your face in this hole. Mind me put your face right in this hole.
All man. Sir, me I'm sorry no. So me no expect you if you can't do it.
How old man you call me?
You're not young. Yes.
Hey,
Turn up where you go. You're not big woman. You can't take big woman lick.
call me old man one more time.
Young boy.
What if you call me?
Daddy.
What if you do?
Come finish.
Yeah.
Come supposed to.
You have to have manners. It's when you see bigger somebody than you talk, whether younger or old, you have to have manners. Manners carry through the world. You hear?
So,
You hear me say?
so if them not have manners, me feel have manners.
Have manners same way.
To your
Respect
father.
you.
Mm-hmm.
It's when you run down out the road.
Me not run down no. You see anything she they run down, she they go find it before me.
Let me tell you this. No belly now come here saying.
When he come here, lick it out.
Then me feel like you do too much talking now and it not working.
When me come here, that's a bad for with man. So now me I wanna tell a man.
Go in. Go in. Go in. Which man you are? Which man you are? Which man you are? Joey?
Yes.
Che?
Yes.
Have I seen you go on the road there?
Yeah, but my friend said me thirsty.
You know, they may sound hot here too.
Give me the money.
Right now, I'm saying you go wreck yard. You not wreck yard.
Oh, so what?
So, you not go on the road, right? Listen me cleanly. Yeah? Not clearly. Cleanly.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You go and go on the road, right?
Hmm.
And you go make sure say, you know, I go. You make sure it's not take long to come back here.
Actually, if you tell that, you know, because I know when to find my yard.
You see, if you make late hours catching up on the road, go and make up your face. It's what you go get.
Yes. Give me the money. I'm thirsty.
Stop at Sister Joyce and then go through the gate there. Stop her yard. Collect $2,000 from her. And you go buy 2 pound of chicken back.
Mm-hmm.
1 pound of rice, cause half pound for you, half pound for she, half pound for me. 1 onion, 1 Irish, 1 carrot, 2 pepper, 1 pack of Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm matter of fact, buy 3 pack. I'm matter of fact, I don't want no all-purpose. I don't use all-purpose. I just use one seasoning. I don't know that.
Okay.
You don't talk.
Go on now.
You thirsty.
When you come back, you drink water.
You soon come
So
back.
daddy, you have no little change left, you can buy back juice.
Oh, you look at this. Come
Let
on.
me tell you
You know,
something.
just as you're thirsty, girl. You can buy back juice.
No.
Okay.
Anyway, come here. You see, me no want to go back home early. So you know what we are gonna do now? We are gonna burn time on the road. I tell you, I say, we're gonna shop and laugh, and we're gonna shop and laugh, so we don't get it torn. But when we reach that woman, we'll ask the money. So we'll come back up and we'll find the money. So yes.
I guess the funniest thing now, no? You agree? Me not agree.
You have to agree. I like you. How you agree?
To a who?
Yeah.
Why
Who
you
should
there?
have the money?
Are you alone to do it? Before so me take myself and go back up in the yard and you go down so, you come back up, you tell daddy say shop lock and do all the things you want to do, but me not go agree with that.
Come back at me anywhere me go, you go.
Oh.
Else me I tell you you left to go chat to man.
Say
And
na
you
go
know
on.
all you she tell already, you know, when you hear about man.
Say na go on.
Fire. Say na go on. That me they go do. So come on, you go down the road. Down the road we are go. Not even down the road, down the town. And come back up. Come in ready for go on yet. Come can't take him chatting. You chat too much.
Yeah, I go down the town, you know. We are going to go to the shop and we are go back over there.
As we go to shop black.
Then if the shop lock, like how you want to go down the town, it's if the shop lock. Me just sit down and wait upon you and me just go back over yard.
You not go back over with me.
I will take this thing for I alone to get every lick. Me I not agree upon nothing.
Yeah, so you some today say me get licked today, you get it too.
Oh. Come on.
Alright. You think I never want to come? Turn up right as and don't move. And wait for me, I soon come back. Now go up the road. What happened? No. Yeah. I soon come back here. Turn up right as.
Okay. So I'm me the idiot. Me make sure so me find daddy today now. Daddy must know about this. Daddy! Say,
Let me ask you a question now.
hold on.
Are you only for yard?
Yeah, my sister.
So how come you want to come back in the yard? I don't understand that.
Because she left so she gone with man. Up the road she gone with man.
What is it?
Your ears now work.
Left. Go up the road with man. I see which
Yes.
part up the road then go.
Yeah, me can't carry there, yeah.
Can't me go there, cause guess what? No picking in come in your pant for picking. You understand?
Yeah, what she tell you? You cannot do nothing about it.
You sure? Come. Go on, sir.
So
Go on,
you
sir.
push me so far, you
worry
forget
about
to
that.
make
Don't
can't
worry
tell you.
about that. Cause me don't know how you me tell you to go and shop. And you make she trick you and come up the road. Anyway, up this road that she there. She have to talk to me. You sure that man she come up here with?
Yeah.
Alright. I must see her. Oh, who this here? Who this here? Ole! You again?
Problem? Why you
You
not
again?
walk me down?
You again with my daughter for the road? I've been more about my little daughter.
I can't stop that.
Where's this? Come here.
Me say you can't stop that.
Listen to me. Government law 16, yes. But just my law are 18 up. She don't ready for no man.
Me can ask you something.
She don't know how to wash her jars them. You know it's a whole and
One whole bucket of jars in the wash
Me
out
I
in
left it for
wash.
your daughter. Wash it coming out. I'm a maid.
Pass me a
Me
stick.
can't find nothing. I
Big
can't
man,
find anything.
make it be the last dig time me talk to you, you know. She don't tell about me.
Mm.
She don't tell about me. You not tell me I'm a rifle down there, me will shot him.
Where I shot him for?
You're underage.
So.
You're underage.
Then if you look like me and I take man.
Take which man?
How you think?
You take man?
No.
I mean that. The truth.
You give me
Tell us. Turn up. Don't back under me. What if you have?
Make you tell a plan when did I make? When you say we go shop.
What kind of plan is?
But how? We are going to go to shop there and tell you say that shop they did that, then we are go down so Kayla want to spend more time on the road. Then it's gone.
So you go lay down with man. Wait, how much money in you? How much money in you?
No, I mean myself.
So you get it for free. Wait. I'm going to come down and come broken up. You wait till I hold a boy. I'm going to go for my gun.
Where you run from, boy? Where you run go? Come here, man. Here run or go? Where you run? I want to make you run.
Gunman stick me up down the road and take a holler. Rob me. Me I tell her, it's a good thing I throw me there my phone down and my brief. That's why they don't catch it.
Rob you?
Yes.
Oh my God. I threw you there with the salt, girl.
Huh?
I just threw you there with the salt, girl.
No. You don't have to do it now, girl. People are rob you because you're there with talk to man.
Yeah, when they start
It's
to
a
get
good
robbed.
thing me have a phone down.
We have one friend there, we have one bike. Every time you the one girl up on the bike, you figure tire shopping next morning.
Oh, I'm gone.
Alright?
Yeah, man. You know they rob you down here like
Yeah,
man. Whole heap.
When you could I give me?
Are you me there account give?
Oh. How much money? You don't see that?
No, they have a mass and something. But
Okay, so that's one question. Where you look so for you see nobody there? Me I talk to you.
why not?
Where you see? For this one, I chose you high color.
You know, so me not understand, me not like
You know, so I'm looking through you, I'm thinking about it. She not different from you know, cause it was way big. And the only thing, and the only thing, and the only thing for fear body. And for my body, and my body bigger than fear one is my nose. So I was about she.
Me show you something. Me show you something. Look here.
Catch the color.
No, that's an accent for true. She high color.
Catch the bumper.
You see, if I never my brother now, I'm going to turn around straight, but true, your brother, I'm not turn around, nothing show you.
Turn around, make Missy. Yeah, my sister.
Let me say something to you.
What's your name?
You're in the family, I'm not too like you. My stomach not really grieve with you. So me I tell you, I'm not like you.
Anytime you see me, I have to buy your Andrews. What do you tell me I have to get?
Yes, you're supposed, your stomach supposed to sick when you see me, I'm not like, oh.
Why you always intervene in my love life? Why? You
go pick up a community mattress. You go pick up something where every man that's out. Wagga, and you just have to take your leftover. Eh? Oh, you know what?
Me tired.
Sister, what? No.
Me tired. My sister.
You pick up a girl where every time she walk past in the community, everybody drop down dead.
Watch her. Are them man they rob me? Look,
Which
see
one?
this.
Where man there? Stop that. Come here, go here. I'm not having chatty.
Go on here, yeah.
And I get them no some more. What you know? Oh Lord.
You see you? You want look informer. I never know say so you love use your mouth.
Mouth make me chat, mama.
But sometimes you chat too much.
Mama chat garang. Let me know mouth next time I chat.
You make the man come up the road come disgrace me.
You have to get disgrace because you don't listen.
So you know get disgrace.
Your ears they don't hear back.
Me sit down pan them. Oh. Next time me I go stand up pan them. Next time when me come in here, I see big me I come in here with. And in my face.
So you don't come with it something big? You don't come with it something
big? Yes, see, don't worry.
Me not worry.
You feel
let me worry yet? Look for my face. Could you let me worry?
I push up his send him down here now.
Hi.
What?
You feel like more sleep.
May I talk to you?
Talk. Hello, yeah, all up time.
Open up your mouth and answer me. And you will know who are all up time in here. Your sister with the man?
Yes.
No! You see me with man?
Let me tell you something. You see your Miss Princess over there, go like she innocent. She not innocent. Yeah? She not innocent. So give me all of the lick. Feed me back all of the lick we want to feed me pan. You go see who come in with belly before me. We don't talk.
Let me ask you a question.
What?
Who you to the boy?
Me are a friend.
Are you a friend?
Yeah.
I'm missing a one shop and you got locked down with man.
You did see me locked down with man.
Where you come from?
You did see me.
Alright, you're locked down in the bush then. You're in the bush with the boy I do.
You did see me that music boy. You see me that walk on the road with the boy.
Coach that bite out and die watching.
I want me to see how I can come down
Nah,
from.
learn.
Up the road.
May I ask you one more time, Tay? And if you tell me bullshit,
Listen to me.
me I'm going to show you how bullshit make. Where you come from with the boy?
Me never got no bush. You think I ride? Me go ride, but I don't ride. Me go ride.
Said so. Look to the bed.
You what? For me get lick.
Look over where your sister is.
Me get ask you something to do. Every day you come in, right? Lower your hand. Every day you come in, you kill me with lick. And you know, see your daughter over there so fi kill me lick.
Because me not do nothing to get killed with
She
me.
not bad in front of your eye, them.
I never see her with a man.
Yeah, me see her.
Okay.
You go in a bush with man, come out and not even $1 to buy soap to wash you like a chocho.
Next time, me I go come out with that dog.
Yes, man. You know, some love so daddy lick your door.
What me say they go to school with you?
Shut up your mouth.
What me say they go to school with you?
I bet.
That man dictation.
You still not learn. Me tell you something.
What me say they go to school with you? What kind of education? What kind of education me say they go take? Huh? What kind of education?
You get me wrong. A dictation I send me go take.
Why? Let me control it, best.
Control respect.
Oh, no.
Control respect.
No.
Go over this thing.
No. Daddy, remember say me always go tell you, no. No. Remember me always go tell you, no. If you lick me to them, me not tell you about no more.
What cops before the week done?
Let me tell you this. That evil cops can't hold me. We don't talk. And if you hurt me right now, I'm going to the police station because that's child abuse. Okay?
You know, come out. He gone.
You see, I burn me there, but I'm here, but you know, look, you know. I burn a light with your light, you know. You understand?
Understand.
Me tell you now, you know.
Yes, sir.
What? You watch it?
Yeah. No, yeah. No! Yeah!
Yeah, Wagwan. Oh, me just have to whop up my daughter then, man. Party fat. Yes, sir. Hold on there. Somebody I knows in my business. Alright.
I want knows in your business. Me knows my big, but me not in your business.
You know, allow me
Oh,
to
yeah, the pan the
you.
road.
And where are you?
Everyone here.
Where you look? Where you walk a look? We notice you walk from here. I think that
No, but my sister give me a job, but not give me a job, so I just go and start walk and look their job. Can't want to tell it to come from up the road. I see this little dutchy girl. You didn't come too much as a brown girl.
Oh, you know we are talk. Titi,
Yes, she did, my brother.
are you like that?
Yeah.
Too much mileage upon him clock.
And that's why they see him on the road and rob him.
That girl is salty.
Man, you done the salt, coming on the salt for me, so you can give me some of the salt, and I've done everything for now.
She's salt.
Me say, what day ya? Me sit around at the bar and hear them attack, say,
She come in at the bar and everybody run, they just drop down her face. And her pink. So everybody just think.
Just shine on you.
You know out of
Because
her.
me go there, me never smell nothing.
You smell that now?
Huh?
You smell that?
No.
That's a shit scent of it. Oh. And you don't smell.
So yeah, Tavo.
You see who you are underneath think. You see the smell it, you just kill your scent. You don't know scent, you know it's dead.
But look next time we see her. Next time she come check me, I'll check the baggy car. First you know, before you lay down with her.
So she a check you, and some brothers like she a check you.
Oh, no, I missed it, man. I missed it. Yeah,
Me say some people rob me brother. Me see me brother run full buck.
How are your
I
brother?
come up the booth. Me say me brother run him.
Who are your brother?
Eh?
Who are your brother?
One black boy named Bob. In black and he looking kind of thickish. And he head round like a
And he
pumpkin
short.
calf. Yeah.
You know that same boy that will have
Yeah, bad
daughter?
man hot. What?
That same boy that me have to rush not too long.
If you tap it. Every time you walk around and scandal off people and scandal off my brother name. My brother name would never want your daughter.
No, I true.
I lie you tell.
My daughter tell not give me thing taking.
You know say I told lie?
He willfully
Where's
force.
the lie?
You don't believe I?
No.
You
My
don't
brother now hold on no bad thing.
You don't
He's
believe
not your daughter and whore, you never know you take my phone tab on bread.
We don't block you.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
That door.
Hi. What's up?
no,
Yeah.
no.
Oh,
You alright?
yeah.
Everything?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Listen
what?
to me, sir. You don't feel like say you feel leave my sister alone. Eh?
You hard, man.
You know, see a little picnic. She is 16 years old. I say, my father a bad man, you know. And me no want my father take up what no gun. The best thing you do, allow my sister alone.
Mama, tap your head.
It's
Shut up. Are you at the picnic? I'm at 16. Marriage is a consent. You are 14.
hello.
Better you tap your head.
When married 16, me no want a man, so me don't know
So
where you
you
are
are
run
saying
down.
no till body reach you.
I don't know where you are run down.
Conversation on your little sister.
This
Why
bigger
you look
than
on me
me.
so far?
I don't know what
Me
you're
a
trying to
talk,
say now.
a fax me a talk, you know. Me say she can't hold a conversation now with you. So
She
you
bigger
there?
than me. What you expect?
Where
She
I
say
say no?
bigger
Where I
man
have to
than me.
say?
Well, who I say?
You.
Me tell us if you leave my sister alone.
You know, she say your sister. You see me a them. Put me away. You see me no.
Hey,
Yeah.
no, a girl. Me say, love him alone. Tap ramp with me man, girl. We don't love him alone. One thing. You want to come in if you're bad?
Miss me a little bit, no business about them.
Make me see your back with me man, yeah. Idiot girl. Not even you can't attack me for taking someone. That's you. Yeah, I want dirty girl. You tell me if I watch a girl beat me.
Then, mama, you know, see me foot dirty. I'm here there taking people, man.
Yeah, so?
Me tell us if you leave the boy alone, you don't want to leave
Me
the boy.
not left
I'm
him
on your love.
alone. Yes, man is my life and my salvation.
You know, continue to take your beating.
Yeah,
make him be a light
let
and
me
salvation.
continue. And she said, oh, daddy, let me now work.
You must know, you know.
They can see. The guy.
You must know.
Come on. Before daddy leaves. Come on.
Yes, sir, I'll beat you right now.
Can't believe you. Beat me. You say you should have all beat you right now.
Back up. Back up.
Hey,
Back up.
love, guys. I'm saying you.
Daddy?
No, you don't have to tell me. You don't have to tell me. Touch this.
Woo!
You do a damn good job. You don't have to tell me. I see everything. I see everything.
God should have blind.
Huh? The girl beat you here.
If you made it, not daddy.
Where girl live? You know him?
Yeah. What's your name? think a tea or a tea or something like that.
Me have to buy a
Yes.
juice. But you're the thick girl, man.
I'm supposed to fit it there, man. Look how many I'm supposed to fit it there, man. I mean, I stop the car, man. So if she beat me 100 times, I do 100 times with the car, man. She will kill me. But don't talk. Yeah, the next one too, you go. Yes! You know, have to tell me see everything. I who send you? You watch man come?
God have mercy, God. Me don't understand. I try my best. God. It's like they set me that mindset to a different
Your
level.
best is not enough. Try again. One other year.
So what me do is not enough.
No.
What me do is not enough.
Yes.
You ever hungry?
No.
Eh?
At this point, me feel like I pack me up and send me to my mother. Can't wait me to mother. Me do anything.
Me not think about your mama, because if it there your mama, you would have belly 5 years ago.
Who there is me?
You would have belly 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Who's
Listen to you a while
there?
ago.
Say me not catch belly already.
Hold it.
What is that?
Taiwan road, but you don't know if you hang people.
Hmm?
You don't know if you hang people.
No, when they hang people, they go to prison.
What you are doing that?
Oh.
Oi! Sir! You lick me? Yeah. If you lick me, I got police station.
I exercise, me not no time for him. I know you see him both that, me no run him down.
Remember up a yard, you asleep.
Hope them in there go I know.
Remember my tablet.
Nice, even.
Hope where I go. Run now. Run now. Where I go?
Time up. I should answer the time up in I must learn.
Man, you want. I'm going to show you which man.
Time up and lick you.
Eh? Man, you want no?
You don't feel like you want time for them too.
Man, you want no?
So you really didn't start with that, man. Yeah.
Yes, people. Me worrying data. Yes, one take man before time, before subject.
Public is send me that bread. Yes. Public is send me that bread. Cause me know what that's what they gonna do. Let me go.
You know what that girl really mad with you?
Let me
You know
through.
they're mad with you?
Where you get him from?
Give me the tablet.
Office kind of from.
Then wait, so when you go to doctor, you get tablet, right? Let me get the first tablet. Let me get the first tablet. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You wait.
You won.
Listen.
Awa.
You wait. Yeah, I'm black. How you go?
Eh?
How you go?
Me say while ago me a come, me feel like somebody a kidnap your daughter.
Oh.
Somebody a kidnap your daughter, papa. Me see when he
No,
hand tie up
man, no.
and you wanna run back like a you saying bolt.
Oh,
You have to go to the papa.
that's what I about.
Yes.
I tie it up.
Are you?
Yes.
What you doing something for?
The girl make girl beat him over the man. Over man when I give him $1 from him, we know him not talk to that boy.
I
Cause
like
every time company road, I'm feel the same way. The boy never give him $1.
So for your daughter or?
When me I do that girl picking like that. Disgrace. Eh?
So where you go with that? Or that
I
plasma?
hate them mash up in her skin. And I bet, but as I go.
Me I tell you, you know
That
I'm a
will
good
be the
father.
first, eh?
You know I'm a good father.
Remember me now, good
If
father.
you don't got on good, then that do something, you do something wrong.
Mommy,
Something you not do right.
Mommy ask you a question.
If you didn't give me work, this wouldn't happen.
No. We feel like when we get the work, show our belly already.
Me say, cause I'm how much?
18 to 19.
You see that right here?
I don't know if you have none. A data go on in the island.
A regular people name save me name and a crime.
You can pass everything?
Of course. With my head wall high too.
Are you proud to say that?
Yes. Come in and dash on the belly. Some no did it for me. And when you dash your belly on a cemetery there.
What are you talking about? And where they then?
Where for there? You did go bury it there? Did you go bury it there? Your dad said if you go bury it on a top hole in the place.
Listen.
It's a disgrace to your
Like when you
family.
come on to my picnic, don't mention her name out again, yeah? I work hard to get her.
You work hard to get a all.
And I take her from her mama. I know me broke her out saying, her mama. Me here said the mama did have him. I sell him.
I
Tell him out to man.
Is it touch your daughter?
You idiot? You're mad?
Well, somebody...
Let me give you some of my tablet too. I'm not to hold you. Right. Let me give you some of the tablet too.
Dirty girl. Sis. Bitch. What problem, dirty girl?
Cross my monsieur. You see, me Billy say you cause problem.
So where you move from me there?
You see me? Sit down right there, so.
Me there see you.
Before you walk.
Me smell you.
Well, if you smell me expensive Gucci cologne, right?
Gucci cologne, you smell like a... When alligator gun boy boss, you know that smell? Girl, you just stop.
Me don't know about alligator, can never see an alligator. The only alligator I ever see in my life is
you.
you.
And your brother.
Hello? If you want this, my brother, this, my brother. I'm not busy about you and my brother. It's just that I do not see you today. I don't have the mindset for you right now. What's your problem?
Me just don't like you.
Me not like you. From me,
You couldn't be
from the mo,
look by
me beard, I bed.
By white sky, yes, sir.
On a white star, on a white skull, girl. On a white skull, on mayonnaise. Me just don't eat one fat patches.
Yes, girl. A man, white mayonnaise, me understand you now. You got to think some more and then you talk like say me are the old when I am my sister-in-law, you me get it from.
You can't get no from me, never me birth you. But you go and let me alone. I don't have time for all of this. You ever see me on call for, I don't have time for all of this. Go on where you go.
Move me.
No. Me can't move an insect like a you.
Insect like me? Me I call insect girl.
Hold on.
Hey girl. Hey girl.
Girl, let me tell you this, you know. Stop seeing me on rank with me. I'm going to talk to my brother about a girl I have, you know. You ever see me on rank with me? Jesus, man. Hello. I'm so glad I see you, you know. Are you me a hope and press me see, you know. You look as scabby these woman when you have just march come up the road, you know. I'm going to tell you this, you know. Talk to your woman. Talk to your woman because I don't like her. I sit down underneath the bamboo tree and she come top and fast with me.
Why every time Yana listen to something?
Me don't know. I don't know. That girl come like she hate me, like she find a hatred in her heart for me. Oh, talk to her.
Live good on her sister.
You see the next time, she put her hand on me, or she touch. No, she pull me here. You know, see leg down. She pull it, and she can't afford it.
You think you fight over the Asachat?
No, not the Asachat. She pull me here and run off. Gone up the road. You better warn the sandfly where you have. There's something underneath her pink, you know. You better warn her. Come on, know how you got this all night time. Cause if I was a man, nothing for me couldn't talk for that.
Alright.
Talk to that.
So you're sure that this man and I was in conversation, you hear me?
Don't
if you live good on our sister-in-laws?
No. Me if you live good with her because I don't like her. And you're not there, you stick with the sandfly. One the sandfly, you see next time. That you let tap her face. You see what so me can't trace? And me can't two fight? I be a big stone me a fling and bust at the head. They send up here, you know. Cause the next time he see me and fast with me, I go lay with him in the bush and beat him.
You can't. How you going to lay with somebody and beat him if you can't fight? You see you cannot fight.
If me run from back way with something and lick him.
Alright.
Talk to her.
Alright.
So you can't give me her money?
When me talk to her, I give her money.
Me talk about no, I'm going to go buy a juice time after can't give me $100.
Me not have money for you. You're a big woman. You have man, don't. Listen to me. You want to give it, yeah?
From me know you not have no money. You ever broke. You just
Me
pauperize. No one day take up a orange gal.
Alright.
Broke
Amen.
eye.
Amen.
Oh Lord. Oh. You know me realize when you from other day, you love take people man.
What's the problem? Man,
And you can't fight because you make it girl beat you yesterday and we never expect that.
hungry. Look how me look.
And me never see no white scarf on your mouth.
You blind?
Mama, you make it girl beat you, you no bad. You have to tap take people man cause you don't
Me
bad.
can't stop. Wait till me start. But me
Alright.
stop. Me can't stop take people man. People man is my life.
We will see. Hey! See girl I know more see who bad. What you know? Ooh. Hey!
We didn't do yesterday.
Yes, good girl.
Watch out, no bad. Shut up your mouth.
Hold on, just let me
No
go.
bother
Leave me
with
alone, share my sister.
Alright.
that. No bother with that.
I like when you let me go. Yeah.
What's that, girl?
Yeah. Why you see me alone?
Who be help you? You don't say you're a bad girl. And what you go do when you see the girl?
You hear me there, Sarah?
Watch out. Alright. Don't know.
My girl, let tell you, you can't
Let
take
go.
me.
See your hand. See your hand. Go down the road and say lovely.
I just see move.
Lord Jesus Christ, man, you know far me a run come from because of the fight. You know far me a run come from because she still make me the fight. You big man top star make you get a...
Where you want? Hello. Missy, two man a fight with me. You want me to go
Hello.
night?
Listen to me, my brother.
I see you by myself.
Listen to me. Maybe not want you. You need to talk to a woman, yeah.
So why your problem
You need
now?
to leave her alone because you know why? She'll go around and beat up the people and gap and she will put you in a problem.
Yeah.
I mean, shall we go?
Me have become more strength
I
left
mean,
back.
have a hand them.
Why
I mean,
your
have a foot
problem?
them.
Me talking to you. Me have strength left back.
Why your problem?
No, me I talk to my brother, me not talk to you. So my problem is not with you, because I never come to you. I come to my brother.
Okay, I'll come to you.
I said.
Alright, then you come to you.
What's up? Hey, my name is me tumble
Talk
down.
now, talk to you.
I said, me and my sister. So where's it going now? No, it's a bit. Watch out, watch out.
You go forward now, bring me, girl.
Watch out, watch out.
You,
Alright.
girl. You take me come like a little girl from when you provoke me. Stop provoke me. Every day see me.
Alright.
Whoop you.
No, watch out.
Whoop you. Whoop you.
We can't do that. We
Me did tell us I never bust up your woman face.
Where
Hey,
is
girl. Hey, girl. Girl. Stop. Okay.
Alright. Come. Watch out. Come.
Who you been for me here for?
Come now, come.
What?
Relax,
What?
man. Put on your shoes, man.
Me tell you to talk to your woman. Your woman are going with too much things from the other day. I not see it. I not hear. Me and you related. You make you get a beat me up.
Don't bother with it. You bust your ass. Relax.
You not see the boss your woman ass.
Watch out, man. Listen.
Why is she afraid of the little
I
girl?
don't like the
Me know the girl, you know. And me I go see the girl pa and tell the girl pa. Me I go chat. Me I go chat. Me know her father.
Come go yard. Go, man. Go yard.
Every day boss me know what you thinking,
Go
girl.
yard.
Me not got me that day go up the road.
Go, where you go for it, go do?
Up the road me not go all along.
Oh, God. Woo.
Hey, girl. Daddy gone, sister gone. Jesus Christ! Hey! Jesus Christ! Jesus! I go call Daddy G.